For water treatment equipment, always plan clearances so a technician can service the unit without removal. Place at least 18 to 24 inches of clear front service space in front of softeners and filters so media tanks and control heads can be accessed, removed, and reinstalled easily. This allows for cartridge changes, salt replenishment, and diagnostic testing without moving heavy components. Leave 6 to 12 inches on each side for hose and pipe connections so fittings can be tightened and flexible lines routed without kinking. If space is tight, use short, flexible connectors that retain serviceability. Make sure a drain line and floor drain are within reach and pitched properly for backwash or regeneration discharge to avoid spills and odor issues. Use a standpipe or a properly trapped drain that complies with local plumbing codes. Provide a 120-volt grounded outlet within 6 feet of the equipment to power control heads, timers, and powered valves without running extension cords. Use a dedicated circuit when possible to prevent nuisance trips. Include an accessible bypass valve that lets water bypass the treatment system for maintenance or emergency use while isolating the unit without shutting down the whole house water supply. Finally, leave enough overhead clearance to remove heads or media tanks vertically and consider removable access panels if the unit sits in a tight closet. 3 common mistakes are planning too little front clearance, which forces removal of the whole unit for simple service, side connections that are buried against walls, making pipework fragile, and lack of a drain or reachable power that turns routine regen cycles into messy, delayed repairs. For the tight front space point, redesign the installation layout or recess the system behind a removable panel so the service area opens to full clearance. If side connections are cramped, rework plumbing to add short, serviceable, flexible connectors and isolation valves so fittings can be replaced without cutting pipes. For missing drain or power, run a proper drain to a nearby trap or utility sink and install a grounded 120-volt outlet on a covered junction box within 6 feet to meet manufacturer needs and reduce emergency calls. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who do water treatment and plumbing work, and it connects contractors with homeowners looking for specific services. We also host an active discussion community where people share installation tips, clearance photos, and real-world troubleshooting so our members can learn from each other.